You can watch all the porn you want, chase every girl, smoke, drink, whatever you think will fill that empty space inside you. And yes, for a moment, it works. For a moment, you feel alive. But when it's over, silence hits, and that emptiness comes back even louder. The truth is, you're not addicted to pleasure. You're addicted to escape. You're running from the one thing that could actually fix you: purpose. Purpose is what gives you peace. It's the reason you wake up, the reason you fight, the reason you grow. It's the path that gives you not just dopamine, but meaning, real happiness. Look at the richest people in the world: Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. They could retire today and never work again, but they don't, because they know what happens when you stop chasing purpose. You start dying inside. Money can't fix that. Pleasure can't fix that. Only purpose can. So try it once. For just 3 hours, do something that matters to your goals. No phone, no scrolling, no escape. And when you finish, you'll feel something different. Peace, clarity, a spark in your chest that says, "This is what I was made for." Purpose isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. It's about becoming who you were meant to be. And that feeling, that's real happiness.